My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're hiking Cape Final. It's a 2.1 mile hike in, 2.1 mile hike out. Now we just came from another hike and that was Point Verde, I think is the name of it. Anyways, it wasn't too difficult of a hike. It was just long and through a burned out forest, so this one seems nice and pretty. There's lots of forested area and whatnot, so why don't you come along with me? Sean's way ahead of me because I have a blister on the left side of my foot. Excuse me. I think we're doing like 20 minutes a mile here. I like how he drops off somewhere. It's called pedal to the metal, by the way. Here's another guess which direction you're facing. Tell me. You didn't know by looking at all this. Which way is north? Don't you know which way is north? That's why I bring a compass along with me. By the way, that way's north. You see where all the trees have ended. To go see the canyon real quick before you get to the main point. Cool. Wow. That sure does look cool. All the cow continue to the point. I'm sure it'll be even better over there. What type of trees are these? I wonder if they're fir trees? They just go on forever. Look at that one. Really tall. Here's another lookout area. What's cool is that you just like come up and over, and then all of a sudden it's like boom! Look at this shit. Isn't that incredible? Wow, look at all the color in there. It's like blindingly red today. It's so big. That's not a trail. He's just bushwhacking now. Trying to tell me there's a trail through there. Oh yeah, that looks like a trail. Not. He says there's a trail. Jesus. I was bushwhacking through this. Yep. Sure the park rangers are gonna come after me. How cool is this? What about the steep drop? I said, wow, that is a steep drop. Wow.
The crumble or sturdy?
I don't think I want to test that out. That's crazy.
Could be crumble too, you never know.
Yeah, be careful.
Keep my ass a little bit far away.
It's a good idea.
You can see the Colorado from here.
Yeah, you can.
Don't
Right.
push me. You change your mind or do something.
Yeah, don't upset me. There's the Colorado right down there, see?
Ooh, I'm feeling tingle on my toe right now.
For what?
Just the height.
It's high. This is really high.
There's no chance of survival dropping down from here.
No, I don't think so.
Tickle. too.
You would have no chance of survival if you fell.
The Great Wall of China.
Wow.
About this side.
That sure does look cool.